What's up, Amazon champions? In this video, I'm going to teach you and show you what products you must avoid while selling on Amazon, okay? This is very important. I don't want you to make the same stupid mistakes that I have made, so that's why I am making this video to help you not have the same problems that I have had. So the first one, we're just going to dive right into this. I don't like putting any fluff into this video. I just like being brief, short, concise, and to the point. All right, so you're gonna notice that in all my videos, they're not gonna be 20-minute videos. I'm gonna be very brief, and we're just gonna get things done. First one, stay away from products that have a patent on it. That is very self-explanatory, very clear. But if you guys have seen my other video, I talk about my biggest mistake, and that was my biggest mistake, is not checking to see if the product that I wanted to sell had a patent on it. So please don't make that same stupid mistake. The second one are restricted products. I could talk about this for hours. There are lists and lists that talk about these restricted products, and for that reason, I created a free PDF cheat sheet that I'm going to attach in the description below. So click that and you can get that free cheat sheet to know what are the restricted products. So please do your homework, understand this, because it's going to save you a lot of time, headache, hassle, and money if you just don't sell or order the restricted products. It's super simple, but take your time to understand what those products are. The third one is glass. The reason why I say this is it's fragile. If you ship glass or China ships it to us, it has a chance of breaking, and every unit broke, we are losing money. And every unit that arrives broken to a customer's house, they are going to return it. We're losing money. They're going to be leaving bad negative reviews, and we don't want to risk that for our Amazon seller account. So stay away from products that are fragile, that have a chance of arriving broken or breaking very easily. The fourth one are electronics. Just stay away from them. They don't always work like they're supposed to, and if they don't work, customers are going to be upset, and if they're upset, they're going to leave bad reviews, and then they're going to have questions of how to use it, and you're going to get a bunch of emails, questions about all these concerns that your customers have about the electronics that you're selling. So stay away from it. It's going to save you a lot of headache and hassle if you just don't sell electronics. The fifth one is selling a lot of variations. And the reason why I say that is sometimes, actually you never know what variation a customer is going to buy over the other. So if you have 5 colors, you have black, blue, green, yellow, red, you don't know what the customer wants to buy, and then they start buying just yellow, and then all these other colors, you have thousands of units and they're not selling, you're losing money. So don't sell a lot of variations. Try to keep it to 1 or 2, 3 at the most. It's going to save you money in the long run. So be careful with it. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but you just never know, especially if you're a beginner. Stay away from variations. The last one are heavy products. The reason why I say this is because it costs a lot of money to ship products from China to the United States. And then as soon as it gets to the United States or the Amazon warehouse, they take a fee, and depending on how heavy it is, how big the product is, they're going to be taking even a bigger fee. So if it is heavy, you're going to be losing money in all sorts of places, and it's just easier to find products that are lightweight, that don't take as much space. And that's another point, shelving space in the Amazon warehouse, it's going to cost more. So just stay away from heavy, bulky products that are big. It's not impossible to sell them. A lot of people are very successful while selling heavy products, but if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend that you stay away from heavy products. So I hope that this kind of cleared the air a little bit of products that you need to avoid. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or concerns. I am more than happy to help you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.